Cycling does not hurt men's sexual well-being, Think About says. Cycling does not adversely influence men's sexual well-being or urinary capacity, an investigation has found. Analysts contrasted cyclists and sprinters and swimmers and discovered their sexual and urinary well-being was equivalent. The discoveries appear differently in relation to past examinations that proposed cycling could adversely influence men's sexual capacity, the investigation's creators said. They said the advantages to cycling far exceed the dangers. Cycling to work parts growth hazard. Enormous advantages. Approximately 2,774 cyclists from the UK, US, Canada, Australia and New Zealand were reviewed, alongside 539 swimmers and 789 sprinters, utilizing a scope of surveys that delivered sexual well-being and urinary capacity. Sexual well-being and urinary capacity were equivalent in every one of the three gatherings, analysts stated, albeit a few cyclists were more inclined to urethral strictures, a narrowing of the urethra. There was likewise no factually critical contrast between high-power cyclists, the individuals who have cycled for over 2 years more than 3 times each week and averaging more than 25 miles for each day, and recreational cyclists. Creators of the investigation, distributed in the Journal of Urology, said their discoveries repudiated past research that recommended cycling contrarily influenced erectile capacity. These examinations needed correlation gatherings and were restricted by little example sizes, they said. Cycling gives huge cardiovascular advantages and is low effect on joints, lead specialist Benjamin Breyer, from the University of California San Francisco's Urology Division, said. The medical advantages appreciated by cyclists who ride securely will far outweigh well-being dangers. The cyclists had factually critical higher chances of genital deadness, the investigation found. However, by standing over 20% of the time while cycling, the chances of this were essentially decreased, the examination found. The scientists said in future work they would look all the more carefully at the individuals who had revealed deadness to check whether this was an indicator for future issues. Thank you for watching our video. Do not forget to subscribe to see our next video.